Welcome to Quack the Code Tech Tips, your ultimate guide to cracking the code of online learning at College of the Mainland. In each video, we'll bring you insightful tips and tricks to help you navigate the digital world and make the most of your educational experience. So let's get quacking and uncover the secrets to tech-savvy success. To get started, log into Office 365. The link is located on the com.edu homepage. Next, click on the App Launcher, followed by OneDrive. If you don't see the OneDrive icon, search under More Apps. After entering OneDrive, click on My Files. You can upload your video here, but we recommend you create folders to group similar items. From within your folder, click the Add New button, followed by Files Upload. Locate your video and double-click on it, or click once and then click Open to upload it to OneDrive. In OneDrive, click on the share icon for your video, then click on the gear icon in the pop-up window. Change the link setting to People in College of the Mainland and click Apply. Now click the Copy Link button to add to your clipboard. You can paste this link directly into a discussion post, or you can paste it into a Word document to submit for an assignment.